Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Another one download again of my people, our popular Nollywood actress, where everybody know as Mama Purity, where in name na Mercy Johnson Okoye, um, a popular Nollywood actress, cry come outside say her pikin school teacher dey wele am for road. My people, wonder shall never end. My people, I say this October to be strong. I never see this kind October before. My people, they say September to remember, but this October, oh my God, the matter e get as e be. My people, okay, oh, every day na different saga na dey come outside. Today e don knock for Mercy Johnson door. Mercy Johnson and the school teacher don pull leg for one trouser. My people, make una be careful for this life. Make una come see wetin dey happen. Mama Mercy Johnson, wey e be mother of four lovely children, 3 boys and a girl, and the school teacher don pull leg for inside akpola shoe. How e wan take size two people? My people, make una come here. Make una dey be careful, because they say the sin of the father, sometimes people dey put on top of their pikin, because say this school teacher no like Mercy Johnson. Oh my God, make una come see banamish. Because of say they first get banamish, no be say two of them get banamish. Mercy Johnson no even know say the teacher get banamish with am, say e get him BP. You understand? Now the woman carry am on top of him pikin for school. My people, I beg, make we dey pray. They say where you no wan go, na pikin dey drag you go there. My people, make una come hear the latest update for town. Una remember say I first talk am for this platform one certain time, one video when I drew. E get wetin one teacher do, NYNC. One lady like that, where e go serve for all this Nasarawa state, something like that. Wetin happen for inside that place, my people? As the woman come turn to, that is when the woman wan come born, na the NYNC person na come be the nurse wey dey that hospital. My people, e make sure say e remove the two wetin dey take dey see korokoro. E remove am from that little pikin wey dey just born today remove am, because of say im mama punish am many years ago. My people, make una come hear wetin dey happen for inside life. Mercy Johnson wey dey do im jejeje dey go nowhere wey accident no dey. According to our late Prophet Ukeke, e talk am say na the work wey you dey work na you for dey get accident, meaning na me accident. My people, Mercy Johnson get enemy full everywhere. My people, make una come see wetin teacher, im pikin Purity school teacher, do am because of im mama. Say e no like im mama. Ask me whether the teacher fit act before. I go say no. My people, because the teacher never fit act before. But how they take jam each other, my people, sometimes if you dey get misunderstanding with some people, wetin dem dey call am, some people love, in the sense say the person wey you like for movie industry, if you can't get misunderstanding with am, oh my God, hey, their fans ready to finish you till you turn RIP. Now wetin me believe for here, because Mercy Johnson say never know the woman from Adam or from Eve. She say she be quiet person. Her school teacher even know am, principal even know am. Say she no even dey look for trouble, but wetin e pikin do reach wetin happen for school, reach wetin e go take vex. But because of his profession, e no go fit come talk am. You understand? No fit voice am come outside. Oh my God, to be rich na problem, my people. To famous e get as e be, and to even poor na that one come worse pass. Oh my God, where person wan come dey for inside this life now? This life, too get joy like that. To my people, to reach na problem, not to reach na problem. My people, Mercy Johnson wey be public figure no come talk wetin teacher do. E reach as e tell the husband, na the husband come tell am say you know your work, no be everybody go like you. Now she come swallow speech, say oh my God, where he come go land himself. My people, but that teacher own dey body o. Why you go carry mama, the bitter leaf wey you get for mama, you will can't go put on top of him pikin. It's very, very bad. You understand? Because you don't know where your pikin want reach tomorrow. My people, we don't know who can carry the matter enter air. Can't hear gbege, can't hear banamish. The waiting the teacher, the people come they talk, they say Mrs. Johnson carry agbe. All this say Baba Alaje. He carry the enter school because say they get money, they be want go give that teacher wey get bitter leaf for Mrs. Johnson. They be want go teach her how to teach for school. Now Mrs. Johnson come go school the next day, come go the video because you no want make them damage the image, you understand, because you don't take where she dey build that before she even marry. She don't even build that reputation, my people. Now she enter a principal school office, my dear people. She come dey ask them, the girl wan cry. Oh my God, you know say Mrs. Johnson na everybody to like am, but some people say that she dey use cry take dey deceive people. Now she can't do that one, my people. Okay, oh, now she come dey ask say she not do that kind thing because the people come dey talk say na because say she get money na make she carry those kind agbe Baba Alaje come inside school come take teachers how to be a teacher. My people, make we dey pray because wetin come dey happen for inside this world now, na only God know, my people. Poor person no fit talk again, rich man no fit talk again, average man no one can talk. We no know because this one really touch me. Say how can teacher carry mama bitter leaf or papa bitter leaf wey you get for papa and mama, you come put on top of a pikin? How that soup go be? Go too bitter na, my people. Abeg, make I not too talk for this video. Make I just leave and make una come hear from Mrs. Johnson. I feel sorry for her and I feel that is, I see emotion for her body. Say to too rich na palaba. Okay, my people. Now me now they talk AB World Entertainment. I beg, if today now be the very first time when you just see this video, I beg, after you don't watch am, you try me, you thumbs up, like am, I like your thing. I like your thing. Give am I like your thing. You understand? You know that that one where you carry hand go up, maybe I like your thing. Just like the video as you love yourself. You understand? Because God talk and say make we love our neighbor as we love ourselves. So you give me that I like your thing. Okay, guys. As you give me I like your thing, also subscribe and on your notification bell so that all this kind of bonge story go they come una way. Okay, my people, my new subscriber, I thank una very well because of say una and me, I use my back to okay, to my old subscriber, I so much like una. Now my God will dey heaven. Now you go bless all of una very, very well for me. Okay, make I give una the full video of Mrs. Johnson how it explain for wetin happen for school 2 days ago between teacher wey get bitter leaf and herself and her pikin wey they call Purity. May God protect all our pikin the way they go school. May bitter leaf wey other person cook or wey e buy, may they not because of say me would then get misunderstanding, they'll come put that bitter leaf on top of our pikin them. Okay, my people, let's go there. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Choose.
So you are the head teacher. Have I met you? Did I meet you yesterday, ma?
No.
Miss Blessing, the answer was no. Did I meet her yesterday? No. The answer was no. Did I come here with thugs, Miss Blessing, please?
No.
Did I come here with thugs?
No.
Did I fight anybody?
No.
Are you people hearing that? Did I fight anybody? No. Did I come here with thugs? No. Right, ma? Did I meet you yesterday, ma? I'm very sorry, ma. Did I meet you yesterday? That's the head teacher of the school. I didn't meet her yesterday. All of you know I don't look for trouble. I don't like drama. Even when they abuse me, I stay on my lane. But my children, now them are they suffer for. Yesterday, ma, I'm very pained, ma. Because now it's like, you know, Nigeria, they know our weak point is the press, so they use it. So there's somebody online saying that I came with thugs and the head teacher, and I'm like, I've not met you before, ma. Yes, but not, did I come with thugs yesterday? Did I meet you yesterday, ma? Did we have any altercation before, any time at all? The altercation was with the teacher. So, last week, 2 weeks ago, I told you, Miss Blessing, since I came here, you don't hear me and anybody talk, any argue. My children's teachers, they know I don't like trouble. I wear my nose mask with my bathroom slippers. I pick my children, I go house because I don't get power. The remaining power wey dey after person don born 4 children na to manage them until they grow. Make person no go die. No be laughing matter, na serious thing. So when I came 2 weeks ago, I just asked her something. She said, please excuse me. And I said, sorry. So I went to the next teacher and asked, please, where is the library? They said Purity was there reading, so I can pick them. So when I got home, as God is faithful, I told my husband, I said, I met with one of the teachers. I said she was really mean. My husband said, you know your kind of work. Some people like you, some people not like you. I was fine. Only for me to pick Purity yesterday, as people were announcing on microphone. She was crying. I said, what happened? She said, Mommy, that teacher. No, she said, Mommy, can I change school? I said, no. I have a video of her. I interviewed her also, so I can explain to you what happened. So guys, I'm just saying this because I don't have... Sir, you were there yesterday when this issue happened. Sorry, sir, you were there yesterday. Please, sir, did I come with talks to this school?
Talks? No.
Are you hearing that? Did I fight anybody in this school?
No.
Did I see the principal, the headmistress yesterday?
No, the head teacher
was not on seat.
Just stepped out.
Thank you very much, sir. When my husband came, did we come with any talks?
No.
Okay. Are you hearing that? It's because people don't know. Somebody went online and said I came with talks and I head teacher because we have money.
No.
That's what I'm saying. That's
No.
You don't know the truth. You will not keep quiet and then you start to lie. On my honor as a mom, sis, I swear to God, this auntie was rude to me last week. Sorry, mommy. So I now told my husband, I think my husband told you, and I said, I don't know, she doesn't just like me. My husband said, people must not like you. You were there, sir. Even yesterday when she was misbehaving, I tried to hold myself. Because the normal me, as I look the pikin, they cry. I for verse for her. Mommy, no, guys, I'm sorry, I have to go off now. I'm sorry, guys. I just wanted my team to understand the truth or the true nature of what happened. That's been cleared. I'm here with the head teacher. I'm just trying to sort out my issues. Please, guys, thank you so much. That's just all I have to say. Thank you guys so much. I'm sorry.